Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL C100TWS. In this I have replaced the battery already, but left side is not working. Sound is coming from the right side. So I will show you the demo first, then I will show you how to fix this issue. So alright, now I am going to take this out and I will pair this. Now you can see JBL C100TWS has come. I am just clicking that. It will ask for the permission. So here it is connected, battery is 100%. Now I am going to play a song. You can notice that left side sound will not come. After my fix it will come. So first I am going to play the song. I am going to use my studio mic here. This is the right side one. So this is working. Now you can see no sound here. Now to fix this issue we have to put these earbuds in the box, in the case. So you can see the white light will be glowing here. So that means this is charging. So what we have to do is we have to press this button, micro switch buttons in the both earbuds at a time for the 5 times. So that these two white LEDs will start blinking for 2-3 times. So I am going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it is blinking now. So that's it. It has been the fix has been done. Now just we have to take this out and we have to pair this in the smart device. In both earbuds sound will come now. So I am going to pair now. So again I have unlisted here and again I have paired here. You can see it is connecting now. So battery 100%, it is connected. Now I am going to play the song. You can notice both earbuds will produce audio. So let me play the song here. Now again I am going to use my studio mic here. So this is the right one which was playing already. So this is the right one which was working. Now you can listen the left audio as well. So this is the basic steps to fix this issue, left side not working issue. So again I'm going to put this in the case. It will start charging. You can see both white lights will be glowing here and here. So both white lights are glowing. So that's it. This is the quick fix here. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it, and if you like, then please click that subscribe button. So thanks for watching. Bye.